In this video, I'll show you how you can use a Vlookup function to fill columns in an existing worksheet with data from another worksheet or from another place like a database or a text file. Here I have the address field which is missing, but I have another field, another sheet with the data I need. So the Vlookup function will use a key, which is usually the first column of the worksheet, and then I use this table array. Now the important thing is, what I've noticed is the key should be the first column in the field in the worksheet, in the table, for that to work. So unique ID is the first column, especially in the second one it needs to be there. And you see Vlookup, then it's the cell ID where that is used as the key, the sheet where it's going to look for it, then it's the ID, the index of the column from the other sheet that should be returned in this field, and then if it returns the approximate matches, I always put false in that one. So this is very useful when you want to fill data from in an Excel spreadsheet, from another Excel spreadsheet, or from another text file, or from anywhere else, really, as long as you can import it in Excel. And I mean, here you can really choose any fields you like. This is the worksheet, and you can choose another field if you wanted to. You can edit the function however you like. And if I double click on the corner there, as you saw, it will automatically fill the formula all the way down to the last row in my table, which is pretty useful. So you select the cell you made the formula on the right lower corner, you double click there and it will automatically fill. It shows NA for the ones that it didn't find. So yeah, this it might take some time to get used to it, but once you are used to using the Vlookup function in Excel, you really will use it a lot. I mean, this is really one of the main things to use in Excel, as far as I know. And if you use Vlookup, yeah, people might really come to you for help in Excel. That might not be a great thing, but it's a skill that is good to know. It's always good to know how to do something in Excel, because many times you will need Excel, and you might use Excel for things that you didn't know that you could do in Excel, and it would be more difficult in other ways. And in Excel it's just a quick Vlookup, really. So here you can edit the column, edit the function. I can even copy the function to another column. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, let me know in the comment section below. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel to see the future videos that are interesting, just as this one, or even more interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye.